Hang on, I gotta remember, dude. My name's Anulfo, here at Wrangler. I'm a technician, and dang.
Hot day, South Texas, sun burning up the block. Thermostat climbing higher, sweat dripping off the clock. Call the crew, we pull up fast. Tool bag in the back, we don't slack. Flip that switch, feel that blast. Cool air rushing through the track. Oh, oh, oh. Wrangler AC, keep it cool. San Antonio, we break that heat. Roll. Let's go. From the crib to the shop, we there on the spot. Wrangler AC, keep it cool.
So we're not going to present a list of 10, 20 items that the customer needs to replace with the hope that the unit, it's repair. No. When we tell you this is what's broken with the unit, this is what's wrong with the unit, you can rest assured that that has been verified by multiple professionals in the industry.
Job went smooth. Got the installation done. Took some time, but we got it done completely. And customers are happy. Unit's running efficiently. And we'll be back in about a week to do a quality check on the system, just to make sure that everything is maintained, running well since we've been gone.
But now your heater's on if you need it. I fixed this little piece of flue because the thing is that flue pipe companies are awesome and they're all proprietary. So if you use one piece, you got to do it all unless you buy some certain adapters, which is kind of like the adapters I have here.
From there, we'll show up in another 6 months and do another quality check. And after that, if they're on any of our maintenance plans, we may be arriving every couple months just to service the system.
When the heat's on high, San Antonio, we got your cool supply.
So she was saying yesterday that when she lowered the thermostat, that it wasn't satisfying the space temperature.
Okay.
So she had put it down to 68 and it was at 74 space area temperature. And she said that right side of the building as well gets hot. So we're gonna check those. So today was high humidity and high temperature. So basically, we just want to make sure that everything's working properly. It's cooling so that way it could dehumidify the space. And then we can also check to see if there's any duct work or anything that's leaking, because that also causes high humidity. We're gonna go check out the units.
So he's gonna just check the operating pressure for the unit right now and see what it looks like.
Yeah, this one's the one that's
Jacked up.
Yeah.
So this is a unit that's known to have been in need of repair.
Yeah. I think it's just waiting for
Approvals?
to get approved, yeah.
To replace the compressor.
I believe just a braze.
We never proceed to do any repairs without the approval, verbal and written approval from the customer. That could be a residential customer or commercial customer, you know what I mean? So without the approval, we will never conduct a repair. We don't conduct repairs and then surprise the customer with, hey, the work's already been done. We don't operate like that. And everything is disclosed way in advance, up front. This is what this is going to cost. And once we tell the customer this is what it's going to cost, I mean, that amount should never change, unless obviously once we get past that point and then we discover something else wrong with the unit. Then obviously at that point additional recommendations will be made. But for the most part, when we tell the customer this is what it's going to cost, that's what it's going to cost.
Suction line temperature.
Yes.
Subcooling superheat looks there though, but okay, perfect. It's probably not even much condensation, right? It's not even condensating very much.
No.
So you're not getting that draft air, that nice cool draft.
Yeah, 73 suction, superheat 49, subcooling 0.
Low on charge. I don't see like a spot that might be leaking, like like it'll blow up in one certain spot.
Yeah.
does that tool do?
It detects any refrigerant coming out of the system, and it will let us know if there's actually a leak in the system. Now it's just like a steady beep, but whenever it finds a leak, it will start going, the number will start going higher, and it'll let us know that there's refrigerant coming out of the system.
Trudy tones on fire, sun burning down my street. River walk, shimmer, Swiss.
Yeah, it's never any stress when we go into a job. It's like I said, it's peace of mind. This is the unit right now that we're working on. So I had to power cycle it to get my air probes inside. I have one on the supply side, and this is my return. I'm gonna check the split right now, because we want from like a 16 to 20 degree split. There was some electrical issues, but it was also coupled with, come to find out, after running a couple of more tests, there was leaks in the evaporator coil. The unit just kicked on, so right now we're at getting to 13, so I'm gonna just let it run and see, make sure both circuits are running. Well, recently we've been going, just different issues have been popping up. You'll have a VFD that'll drop out, high head pressure on one of the units, and now a leak on a different unit. So, I mean, it's always something different at every call we go to.
Yeah, it's hot out here. San Antonio heat. Call the Wranglers up, we gon' make it breathe.
I mean, yeah, so every situation, every call that we get, say if it's for the city, there is a log that we keep just from previous jobs, just to notate what previous techs have done. And
So when we conduct a diagnostics on equipment, again, keep in mind it's not just the opinion of the field technician. It's also been verified by the service manager at the home office, right? And sometimes it's actually it gets verified by several individuals at the home office, not just one.
Ceiling fan spinning, but it barely getting done. Kids in the hallway, everybody feeling weak. You hit Wrangler AC, we pull up in a week. Nah, same day, big truck in the driveway. Boots hit the curb, we ain't here, just a side play. Snap back low, took it like a holster. Check the coils, change the filter, now it's colder. Wrangler AC, cooler than the rest. Turn the dial down, feel it in your chest.
this screen.
From the north side, south side, we the best in the west.
So there's a little switchboard on the bottom that says auto on and half, and then there's the DOs, the digital output. Not one person can know everything, so it's also it's good to have that additional oversight and additional just layer of peace of mind while we're working, that we know we can reach out and tackle something as a team. Since it's a fire station, we're gonna gas it up and get it cooling and make sure the pressures are good for now. And then I'm gonna do a leak search and see if we can find this leak. We're gonna charge the subcool, get it to like 8 to 10, and then we'll just cut the power and see if we can find that leak. So the city, I mean, they want to get stuff taken care of, so if anything is happening, I mean, there's an area that's not cooling, especially with first responders. That's something that we gotta get on within the hour. So we're usually out, and when they dispatch us, I mean, we get the call and we beat feet out there. And
I mean, our mission is to make sure that the customers are very pleased with the quality of work that we provide, the services that we provide. And you know, sometimes if we have to eat the cost of some things, we do that. And that is obviously, you know, to keep the customers happy. And you know, we're not there to create headaches for the customers. We're there to make them happy.
Wrangler AC.
Wrangler AC.